Okay, here's a nice little gift, nice way to gift a set of cards using just one sheet of scrapbook cardstock, and I make these little folios to put a set of, it nicely holds a set of about 10 5x7 cards and envelopes. And so I like to gift them like this. These are the Beatitudes hummingbird cards and the matching envelopes and some cute little hummingbird stamps that I'll gift along with it. And then this nice little folio keeps them together, and it just makes a nice little way to present it as a gift too, and stay organized. So anyway, here's another one I just put together real quick, and this was using, show you which sheet I used on this. This was using this sheet. It's a little friends thing, and I don't have any cards in it right yet, but so now, very simple. It's just a matter of folding your cardstock, and the reason I cut this little V here is to give the cards room to expand. If you didn't cut that, you wouldn't really be able to fit your cards in nicely and then close it, because that would interfere with your fold. So you're just going to want to put this little cut in here. The other thing, I play around with my cardstock is to find the best way if there's a print on it. And you notice on this one there was really not an ideal way. It looks nice with the friends part on the front, but that ended up making the birds upside down, which is okay. Not perfect, but it's fine. And then, you know, this, I wanted the flowers on the front instead of the back, and so they're upside down because of the way I had to turn the cardstock. But it's fine. So anyway, this one I'm going to try real quick, and I think I've decided, see if I fold it this way, the rose is going to be on the back. But if I fold it this way, I have this nice border over here, and I can decorate the front here if I want. And then the rose will be sideways on the inside, but that's okay. It'll still look pretty. So anyway, it's a 12-inch square, and what I do is fold it up to hold the A7 cards are 7 inches high, and I want to leave a little bit of space at the top. So I'm going to fold it up. I fold it up about 4 inches. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. This one. 4 inches, and then that leaves 8 inches. And just fold it in half so the sides are even. And it doesn't have to be exact. You can do 4 1/4 or less if you want. Just make sure it's kind of even. Okay. And then you're going to fold it this way. And it feels bulky, but it'll come together nicely in a minute. This cardstock's folding just a little bit better. Some of them will make a mess, you know, if there's like a glitter or something, you know, the fold will look a little messy. It won't be exactly perfect, so just be careful with the fold. That'll look nice for the front. Now, so before we attach the sides down, and I will tell you, the best thing I've found for attaching them so they stay, because you want something strong that's going to hold those cards in there, because you're going to be taking them in and out, and you don't want it coming loose. I've just started using the glue gun. That's about the strongest glue for holding it. So far that's holding it. So now I'm just going to fold that bottom pocket, and I'm going to cut my little V. By folding it in half, your V is kind of even. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so I'm going to glue gun down. So I'll protect my mat a little bit. Excuse my shaky hands. I got a trimmer. I don't know what it is. I just have to live with it. Okay. And then fold it up. Get it nice and even on the edge. Press it and wipe off any excess. You could probably staple it if you want. I don't have a glue gun. I did try it with some E6000 glue. That worked good. I just want a little thin line, which is not doing such a great job. But anyway. Okay. And that's your basic little folder. Okay, so now I like to tie a ribbon around it. Let's see, got some pink ribbon here, and this one, kind of eyeball it. Guess I should come up with like an exact amount that's kind of good, but anyway, just eyeball it. I put it across the middle. And then to keep the ribbon in place, I just put a little bit of glue. On the front, on the back, here, there. A little mess there. I hope this is... so they'll come across straight. This one I think is just slightly below halfway, which is fine. I'll put a little drop here. Gonna mess with that one. And probably drop on the other side in the same spot. Okay, so there's my ribbon. Not exactly straight, but it's fine. Let's see, this one's kind of blank on the front. We could decorate it. Here's a little piece that was cut out from my scrapbook book. It had one sheet of little messages. So I've been cutting those out and putting some of those on the front sometimes. So this one, you know, it would probably look cute if I used a little foam underneath to raise it. We really get a piece of foam. Okay, I'm just going to cut a couple little pieces of foam. Stuff sticky. Raise it. Give a little bit of dimensional interest. And then I'll center it over that ribbon. Oh no. Okay. And then, like I said, it'll hold about 10 cards and 10 envelopes. Stick a couple in just so you can see how they fit. And you can make a smaller one for the smaller cards, or use this one. A set with some small cards and some large cards. And tie a ribbon into a little bow. There you go. That's it.